Hello everybody, this is Ramesh Pani. In this video, we can talk about exponential function. The function f of x equal to b to the power x, where b is the base and x is the exponent. B should not be equal to 1 and should be positive, means b should be greater than 0. The function can also be written as y equal to b to the power x. Here are some examples: 2 to the power x, 10 to the power x, 3 to the power x plus 1, 1 over 2 to the power x minus 1 are exponential function. The value of x and its corresponding values are 2 to the power x. This is the graph of 2 to the power x. The graph intersect the y-axis at 1. So the y-intercept is 1. There is no x-intercept. The horizontal line, which is the dotted line, y equal to 0, is the asymptote, gets closer and closer to the graph as the value of x gets very small or very large. The domain is negative infinity to positive infinity. The range is 0 to positive infinity. The base b greater than 1 of function b to the power x, the graph goes up to the right, is an increasing function. When base b less than 1, the function b to the power x, its graph goes down to the right, is a decreasing function. Exponential function b to the power x is a 1-to-1 function. If you draw a line with a horizontal line that intersect the graph at one point, every 1-to-1 function has inverse function. Vertical translation: when adding c unit to the exponential function, it shifts the graph upward C unit. When subtract C unit from the exponential function, it shifts the graph downward C unit. When you add C unit with exponent, it shifts the graph to the left C units. When you subtract C unit from its exponent, it shifts the graph to the right C units. When you multiply -1 with the exponential function, it reflects the graph about the x-axis. When the exponent becomes negative, it reflects the graph about y-axis. When you multiplied C units with the exponential function, if C greater than 1, then vertically stretches the graph. If C less than 1, vertically shrinks the graph. If C unit multiplied with the exponent, when C greater than 1, horizontally shrinks the graph. When C less than 1, horizontally stretches the graph. This is the graph of exponential function 2 to the power x, which intersect the y-axis at 0 and 1. The y-intercept is y equal to 1. The horizontal line y equal to 0 is the asymptote, which does not touch the graph but gets closer and closer when the value of x gets very small or very large. This is the graph of exponential function 2 to the power x minus 3. The graph intersect the y-axis at 0 and minus 2. The y-intercept is y equal to minus 2. The horizontal asymptote is y equal to minus 3. The function f of x equal to e to the power x is called natural exponential function, where e is called natural base. The value of e approximately 2.72. E lies between 2 and 3. The E is an irrational number when the value of n gets larger and larger. 1 plus 1 over n to the power n gets closer and closer to e. Here in this graph, the graph of e to the power x lies between the graph of 3 to the power x and 2 to the power x.